The purpose of this exercise is to practice drawing straight lines that are not vertical or horizontal. What you'll see on the paper is a series of crosses, and the technique that we're going to be using is to take your pencil to ghost over this, and when you're ready you're going to put your pencil down and draw from one cross to another. And the catch is that up here in the top left corner is the number 30. I am looking to have at least 30 lines on this exercise, and that means that you can do a number of them that are quite close. That wasn't such a good one. Okay, but some of them have to be quite long, and you're going to need to get a variety of lines between them and just practice doing your ghost movements, connecting up dots basically, so that you work out how to get it straight. Now my paper is fixed, but you have the option to rotate your paper, so you don't have to rotate your pencil. You can adjust as we go along. So that one was too easy, so I should rather do that again. And we keep on doing this over and over until we have, as I say, at least 30 lines connecting some of the longer ones as you go. And that is the exercise that you need to complete.